Alright, good afternoon, YouTube. I got something for you, and we're gonna do unboxing stuff for my Evo. For all the people that know me, my name is Henry Dexter. I own the Evo 10 and the GTR R35. So we got something in the box today, and this is parts for the Evo. I already opened it, but I haven't removed it yet on the package. So let's see what kind of parts it arrived for the Evo. I know it's an Evo because I didn't order yet any parts for the GTR. So let's see what we got in here.
Alright.
Ooh, boy. Yes, sir. It's the carbon fiber for the Tesla Android. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, see? Real carbon fiber. Quality is good. Damn, that is awesome. Whoa. And let's see. I'm undecided if I'm gonna install this one because this part on the car right now is wrapped with red camo, and it comes with carbon fiber. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna replace that one. Boom. See that? And let's see if we can install this. Let's try to install this one.
Daddy, can you put a music mo now?
Alright, let's see if we can install this one. I'll bring you to my car. I'll be back. Alright, I'm here in my car right now. So, see that one in there? Let's see if we could install this one. See that this is carbon fiber. For this one over here, replacement for the stock one. Alright. And let's see if this one works. Oh, that's the only thing different in there, the lock. Okay. Let's see if this one works. Okay, let's do this one first. Alright, I already transferred it. Transfer all the screw. And let's see if it's gonna work. Let's go to the car. Alright, this will be the second attempt, because as you can see, the hazard is on because it got pinched, the wire got pinched. So I have to remove the whole radio again. Alright, so let's reinstall this one back. What we did is putting back the new carbon fiber Tesla bezel. Alright, so hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, just finished it. That shit is hard. Let me see if it works. Alright, okay, change it to carbon fiber. Okay, wow, damn, that shit is pretty cool. Alright, as you can see, I just finished it. I thought it was easy. You have to transfer everything to the carbon fiber. Every piece of it at the back. So this is not just a sticker. This is the actual whole carbon fiber that you have to transfer the screen and all the wires at the back. This one, all the lights, transfer the microphone, the reset button. Yeah. Yep, it's not easy. And it comes with a carbon fiber. Alright, that's it.